The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good evening and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday evening. Hope everyone had a great day. Ready for a great evening. Hey DFT, Mr. Freeze, Jay Cook, Kim. Not really DFT. It just you gotta, for the most part, go for smaller targets. Hey Brooks. So let me see where we are here. Okay, it's heard from Sid. He has made it to Mississippi. So the markets today were great. Great. They pulled back decently into the close. You see, we pretty much went straight up most of the day. Copper died today. Dead copper. Gold, I missed that little move there. That was a nice move on gold. Gave it all back almost, but hey. Ultravine had a down day today. Crude oil did have a wonderful day on the Red Sea news, then pulled back about half of it. Kind of looks like a snake. Little lurch in its neck. There we go. Anyway, 1 minute chart here on NQ. If I had been here, that would have been a nice little move to make right there. But let's see what we can get tonight. I'm not expecting a lot, but you never know. How did everyone do today? Brooks, how's your top step? One point might be a little bit small, DFT. When I said, smaller targets, I kind of meant like maybe 3 to 5. I mean, in all seriousness, DFT, what would your stop be on that? Hey, good job battling back, Brooks. Nice, Jay Cook. Yeah, I just feel like 1 is too small. I mean, that's just me. Obviously, I'm not telling anyone how to trade at all. Just 1 seems a little bit too small, like, because it can sneeze 1 point. And if it has allergies that day, you're going to continue to get snapped out. Also, remember that we are in the holiday season. We're probably already dealing with lower volume. So what works or doesn't work over the next couple weeks, it'd probably be different than most other times. Let's see if we have news tonight. Start spreading the news. Something from Business Outlook from New Zealand. The Royal Bank of Australia, or whatever RBA stands for, meeting minutes at 7:30. And then we'll already be gone, but at 10 p.m. tonight, 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 o'clock my time, the Bank of Japan rate decision. That could actually provide some volatility later this evening. Uh, Crude, gold, NQ, sometimes the yen, and sometimes the Aussie dollar. You see gold's already moved down like 2 points. Yeah, that's a pretty decent move down. Crude's also moved down by about 12 ticks. Hello. How have you been? How's your gold trades going there, Secret? I think that's a good idea. Lock in those profits. What about your big trade there? I assume that was good profit. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I just wasn't sure where you closed it at. You don't need to tell us how much you profited. Hey, Kim. How's everything going? How are the chickens? Something tells me that'll be a great video to put up on YouTube. You chasing the chickens. We're rising up here a bit. Do you see we had this crash in the afternoon? So, guys, I am making this our last stream, evening stream of the year. I'm not going to stream on Wednesday, and of course, next Monday is Christmas, and I think the volume is going to be absolutely dead next week anyway, so we're not going to do next Wednesday, and then of course, then the Monday after that's New Year's. So this will be the last evening stream until January 3rd. Yeah, just until January 3rd. Just because, I don't expect, next Wednesday to be have any volume at all. The volume's going to give me down during the day. We'll still be streaming in the mornings. Not Christmas morning, of course, or New Year's morning, but because, the market's not open then. But, yeah, my goal is actually, once the market closes this coming Friday, to shut everything down, not look at a chart until Tuesday morning. Kim, she is home from the hospital. She came home on Friday, and she's doing somewhat better. Still has some problems going on, but the breathing's a lot better. Thank you for asking. All right, Brooks. Oh, nice. Secret. You have a target in mind, Brooks? That's a pretty good rebound. I lost my chart. Ooh, there you go, Brooks. Excellent. Although it might not give you that last tick. Hey, Burrow. How are you doing? Your bot take trades today, bro? There you go. Green trade. Your bot needs to get up earlier. Uh, yeah, I know. I was just joking around. I know why you do that, but it was just. We really need to figure out how to put a secret camera down there in Kim's land. And folks, if you expect to enjoy this evening's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. That was probably kind of annoying. Looks like this wants to come down more, but we shall see. What's everything else doing? Ooh, gold had a nice pop up. I wish I'd been paying attention there. Boom. Well, for me right now, I'm below the signal line on the ultimate RSI, so I'm looking mainly short here at this point. So I'm looking at this point just to see it break below the 20. In this case, Um, my main strategy here, I have two main strategies. If we go back here, if you see these green areas on the ultimate RSI, then I'm looking for reversal candles. So like this purple candle here is a beauty. This one here was kind of a beauty. This red candle here coming out of the bands. Basically, that's what I'm looking for, coming back close to or bouncing off the bands when it's green, or the opposite when it's red down here. You can see how this candle worked perfectly. This one worked perfectly. Sometimes you got to watch where your signal line is. If it's really far up, like this one, it would have been a quick scalp, but this blue candle was better. You can see how often these work. You just got to be careful, because sometimes in a strong trend you get these green and might not get a whole lot. That's what I'm looking for. You know, here red, and we got this nice move up on the blue for, you know, about the ATR, 5 points. Same here. You see here, there's red here, blue candle, and this led to that beautiful move up. That's my main strategy. And then my with trend strategy is if we're above the signal line and above the 20, this blue candle here, continue on up. I like them close to the 20, so that one would have worked. This one would have worked, but I probably wouldn't have taken it. It wasn't close to the 20. This one here is good, etc. Those are my two main things I'm looking for. Now here in the evening, they don't always work as good, but right now I'm getting a break of the 20, so I'm probably gonna take this short, and I'm gonna shoot for I'm gonna try and go for 5 points, but we'll see. No, the target, I usually try to use the ATR as a target. Or 1 times the ATR. We're gonna go short here. Am I on the wrong account? I own the wrong account. Hold on 1 second. Short. There we go. The bands are Bollinger Bands, so that's where I'm looking for the reversals from. These are so right now the ATR is only literally 1.5. I'm going for 5. But even so, I mean, I might be happy with 2, but we'll see what happens. Don't need this way out here. We might stop there. Yeah, TradingView does have some limitations, but seems like it's struggling here coming back. We're gonna move our target up. See if we can just get a couple points. Up, blue candle. This looks like it's bouncing back up on me. Well, out. Very small win there. Very small. Might have ended up break even. I'm not even sure. No, $15 win there. We'll see if I should have got out. My main problem is holding trades. Thank you, Kim. Oh yeah, look at that. Bounce back up. Now, this is a blue candle coming out of the bands, and I do have red down here, but I hate it when they go band to EMA. Oftentimes, they'll reverse. So I'm not going to take this blue candle, which means it should go 50 points from here. I tend to think so as well, the secret, but going for my scalps. Kim, when does your Topstep renew? Have you been trading it? Okie dokie. Good plan. You are doing really well with that, Secret. Gold's really popping up here. DFT, if you keep saying hoagie, you're gonna need to send me a legitimate Eastern Pennsylvania hoagie. I thought VNS. I heard VNS closed. I thought they closed. Uh, Anywhere. Ooh, purple candle coming down. Oh, honestly, one of the things I really, really miss is sweet Lebanon bologna. Yeah. Sweet Lebanon bologna, and I miss tasty cake pies. And a couple other types of tasty cakes. Yep. Oh yeah, sweet Lebanon bologna. Oh god, I missed that big time. Uh, I took I won 50. I got a $15 trade, Brooks. That's about it. And we're talking about Pennsylvania food. I'm curious what that is. I've never heard of it before, Brooks. There's like one place that'll ship sweet Lebanon bologna, but they want an arm and a leg to ship it. It's probably a hassle. You'll need to get like dry ice or something that would, keep it cold. Pushing down here. Uh, how high do you think it's going to go, Secret? Nice, Brooks. Good job. By when, Secret? Sid Chase, who's our other gold expert here, actually said 5,000. You've been saying that all year, Burl. And it's like, ooh, nice move down. Should have taken that purple candle. I didn't. But now ES is like, well, today it got within 6 points of its all-time highs. Bounce back up. Nice bounce back up. If this had been the more daytime, I probably would have taken that bounce, but ugh. Excuse me while I yell at my cat. Get it out of there. Don't be back there. Gonna unplug my computer. If you unplug my computer, it's really hard for me to get down there and get it plugged back in. I don't care if you did see a mouse. I'm back. Let's see what everything else is doing. Gold, kind of leveling out. Crude still falling. Maybe a half, a little less than half, but it's still kind of trickling down now. Nice blue candle up, so yep, I should have taken that. Take a long there and see what happens. Get along, little doggy. The other thing about the evenings is to get more slippage. The book is thin. It's been on Ozempic. Probably not as thin, but this is the 5 minute on ES. Kind of completely sideways. So 1 minute, you can see it's not fun. That doesn't even look like any fun. Oops, what did I do? Don't everybody get quiet on me. Or I'll start singing Christmas carols. One second. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. Let's see, did the viewership go down to 0? No, not yet. Yeah, you don't think this is gonna go up any higher? Maybe. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. You'll like carols being sung by a choir. Corny jokes? What do you mean corny jokes? No. Do I trade for a living? No, I do not. Not yet. Hopefully soon. Pulling back. Kind of watching to see what it wants to do here. Oh, there's a blue candle back up, maybe. My goal is to be trading for a living before the middle part of 2024. He wants fear. Yeah, fear is good. Does Sid know you want to leave your job, Brooks? Yeah, I could see gold continuing to go up, Secret. He definitely knows his stuff. Yeah, see, I definitely haven't gotten to that level yet. I have trouble watching two futures charts at once. His ears are ringing that they're talking about him. Watching this go nowhere fast. I'm down $35 on it, which is less than 2 points. Let's see where it wants to go. Let's see if there's anything else doing anything exciting. Gold's gotten totally... Ooh, the yen's kind of breaking out. Breaking up is... There, oh, there we go. Come on up for me. Sniffed that 100 EMA again and came back down. Someone gets some deodorant for that 100 EMA so it doesn't keep pulling away when it sniffs it. Ooh. Ox like. Really? Gonna pull back now? Come on, you were just breaking out. It's gonna come down and stop me out here. I moved my stop up below that last blue candle. Be a small stop. Just about. Okay, we're out of that trade. Stop. Stop dot. Here's some Pennsylvania Dutch for you, DFT. Stop dot and all. Very, very rarely. It's gotta like almost be flashing a neon sign at me to say trend line, trend line, trend line. Coming right back up, so apparently I shouldn't have moved my stop. Hey Tio, how you doing? Doing all right. Moving slowly here. Moving slow. Very slow. So once again, this will be our last stream. I'm sorry. Let me start that again. Our last evening stream of the year. We're not going to stream Wednesday. We're not going to stream next Wednesday. And obviously, we're not going to stream on Christmas or New Year's. So we'll be back January 3rd for the next evening stream. But the morning streams will continue as scheduled. Just hanging around this 20 EMA. Our bands are only 4 points apart. That's how slow we are now. Might be time for us all to take a small nap. Hey, all green is good green. Unless it's mold on bread, that's not a good green. But other than that. Oh, by the way, Ox announced today they have a 75% off sale. They're on all their accounts. Well, 25 all 2550K, 100K accounts, including their end of day. So that's the best end of day deal going right now. I will be on here until about 9 o'clock Eastern time, Brooks. Unless I fall asleep first. I have fallen asleep twice on evening streams in the past. One time I woke myself up, and the other time I started hearing the sound of someone calling me on Discord in my headphones. Alright. Doesn't sound like a lot of fun. Hey RJ, how you doing? My cat's saying good evening. Did you do any more trading today, RJ? After the stream ended? How'd you do? Oh, gold's taking off. Wow. Not sure where that came from. Secret? You seeing this? Nice. Nice. Very nice, RJ. Seems like a very good day, RJ. One could say a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day for trade. Slowly grinding here, but ugh. Yeah. That's the one you took, like, you started right before the bell, right? Right about there. Yeah, there. I was surprised you took it right before the bell. Yep. Yeah. How much were you sweating when it pulled back there with this big old wick here? When it pulled all the way down to 832. Oh, sorry, didn't see you say that, DFT. Have a great evening. Talk to you tomorrow. IVNQ open. Still watching gold. Not sure what just caused that pop there. There was a nice pop on gold. Oh, crude bounce too. Nice bounce on crude. Popping up a whole point here. Ho, 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 ho. Our Bollinger Bands are 4 points apart. This shows you how uh, much things aren't moving. Pushing down. Slightly. Very slightly. I'm very tired this evening. His price action's putting me to sleep. But we'll hang in there. But I think after stream I'll need to take a nap so I have enough energy to go to bed later. Purple candle. I don't know if this was a day stream, I would jump on that purple candle. Just not sure about it on this evening right now with how slow we are. So I could target down here, I guess. See what happens. Short, got slippage. Two-and-a-half point stop. That's a huge stop right now. Yeah, I believe I have that type of risk on. I should have went in with 5 contracts and taken the $50. Eh, yeah, it wouldn't have been worth it because I would have paid 20 in commission. We'll have a holly jolly Christmas. Hard to believe 1 week from now we'll be sitting here at this time, not here on stream, of course, but just in our lives and be saying, I can't believe Christmas is almost over. Looks like I should have taken the point. 15 minutes to the top of the hour. Everybody fall asleep? Well, that's a pop-up there. I'm going to stop that. Yes, yes it is. Elf's on at 8 o'clock Eastern if anybody wants to watch it. Haven't gotten stopped out yet. Everything else doing? Anything fun? Gold's pulling back. Crude's pulling back a little bit. Oh, back to my entry. Nice bounce back down. On Wednesday night, Freeform has Rudolph, Frosty, and Santa Claus is coming to town. Silver and gold. $10 till the top of the hour. Seems like it was just 5 minutes ago. I said it was 15 minutes to the top of the hour. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. This is about to stop me out. There we go. Have I seen Crypticon lately? Not. I believe it was Friday that I kind of laid some truth onto him. I'm not sure. I basically I told him he should take the rest of the year off and try and reset mentally. I don't know if he'll listen to me or not, but he definitely needs that. Yeah, he's still around. At least as of Friday, he was. Oh, yeah, RJ, I know. I just, you never know how someone's going to take things, but I just felt it needed to be said. Well, he admitted on the Discord, so what I'm saying here isn't, out of line, not like a secret. He admitted on the Discord that he's bipolar. So I'm thinking the times he's gambling it's the one side of his bipolar issue, and then when he's calmer, it's the other side. Yeah, he's that JJREA big time scalper, but he must only be going for like 2 points or something. I don't know. I care about Crip, so I don't want him to continue going down this path, even if it means he has to quit trading. I don't want him to continue going down this path. Hey, Captain Price. Is in Delta balance a new way of saying hello? Oh yeah, absolutely. RJ. Well, I'm just going to say this about Crypt, RJ. I'm not going to say it so everybody gets it, but 6 figures. Pulling back here a bit. 5 minutes till the top of the hour. How you been doing, Captain Price? I haven't seen you in a while. Yep, Kim. Next thing we need to talk about is your chicken problem. Indeed. By the way, if we want to talk crazy amounts of money, Canadian futures trader earlier on his brokerage account, not a prop firm, but brokerage, his actual own account, opened a $1 million position on corn. 50 contracts on the July corn contract. Corn. Not sure how well this can be seen. This is from the Discord where he posted it. I don't know, like I said, I'm not sure how well that can be seen. $1.251 million position, 50 contracts. You pop it up. And we're about ready to open an Asian market here. See if we get any increased volatility. Corn's tick value is $12.50. So that means every tick with 50 contracts, every tick is worth $625. There's the top of the hour, not anything to write home about yet. Gold pulled back after that big move up. Copper's popping. There's crude going. Pulls back a little bit. Nothing exciting here yet. Market needs to wake up, jump out the bed. Taking a corn. Popping up a little bit there. Nice blue candle. A blue candle for certain. It'll be so blue. Sorry. Let's see if this goes any place. Let's see if this breaks this 100 EMA off this blue candle. Tight stop. 9 ticks. Our ATR is barely 1. It reminds me, we be using a higher time frame possibly? Always see anything on the higher time frames. RJ, you still with us? He may have fell asleep. Pull him back again. Pull him back again. Seriously, I mean, I should be going for 1 point. Maybe DFT was right earlier. Go for 1 point. What's everybody's favorite Christmas song? I think I asked this the other day on one of the morning streams. Where are you, price action? Why can't I find you? It's a good song, TL. I like that. Wow, where'd that come from? Whoosh. I have a playlist on Amazon with about 300 Christmas songs. Wow. So what happened here all of a sudden? I mean, it's not that huge, but I mean, it's more action than we've seen in the last like hour. Yeah, market just woke up for a minute. It was a little grumpy. I see we got the diapers. CL's moving. Oh yeah, CL pull back. Hit 73.08. Pull back now to 88. So 20 tick pullback. Dropping like it's hot. Wow. So something spooked the market. Can't quite say what, but something. Isn't that how it always is? One of the benefits of doing all my shopping online. A nice little drop here. I mean, it was only like 5 points. It looks more dramatic than it is, but still is more action than we've seen in the last hour. Little less talk and a lot more action. Blue candle. Do we want to try and go long? No. I think it's a fake out. I think it's a fake out. I don't like fake outs. That would be nice. Of course. Popped up a tick. A whole tick. Hey, John. Hey, Sam. I'm doing good. How are you? Again, I'll remind everybody this will be our last evening stream of the year. We're not going to be streaming Wednesday. We're not going to stream next Wednesday. Of course, we're not going to stream on Christmas or New Year's. So this will be our last evening stream until January 3rd. Any idea what's causing that, Sam? Maybe you should take a little break for the holiday, Sam. For your head type of thing. I will say, Brooks, it's hard to have the same rules with the slow night action as it is during, the same rules as you have during the day. Price just doesn't move the same at night. It's trying to pop up again here. I like this blue candle better than the last blue candle. So, Brooks, are you still trading crypto as well, or are you just concentrating on futures now? Cool. See if this goes anywhere for us. Again, we have another tight stop, like 2 points. Guess it'd help if I wasn't muted when I said stuff. John, did you take any trades, any more trades today, or any trades tonight? Yeah, RJ, we didn't really. I mean, we got that move down, but we're not moving a lot at all. way too slow tonight, which is why I said, yeah, about not streaming next Wednesday. Figure it's gonna be even worse because our volume's probably gonna be down big time during the day next week as well. So I figure nighttime is gonna be even more pathetic. Captain Price, I'm confused. Did you like have the wrong chat or? No, I'm down. I was down today and I'm down a bit tonight as well. Absolutely, John. Like a bunch of people have been struggling in December. Saw a video by Patrick Whelan that says he's down about 20,000 in December. I can't say. I can't even imagine what being down $20,000 feels like. I think I might just cry if I was down $20,000 of real money. Yeah, he's definitely interesting. But I won't criticize him, not his trading or his style. You know, uh, live streaming is hard. I don't necessarily agree with him or Trades by Matt with how they trade or whatever, but streaming is hard, and you know I admire anyone that does it. Captain Price Trades by Matt is on Topstep TV weekly. Why did they ban you? Just kind of hanging here with 16,918. Yeah, but I mean he's pulled. Yeah, he's pulled back by 20K. Yeah, I absolutely. I'm not trying to say he's down money, but I mean he's down from his high. I guess I should have put it. Yeah. Oh yeah. I mean I don't. I'm definitely not taking any shots at Petrick. Like I said. No, I did not see that. I don't really. I should follow Topstep more, but I don't. I was on Topstep TV one day back in October. And what do you mean, Captain Price? What do you mean trades by Matt's gone? He still has stuff up on his channel. Who must be one of the best? Who are we talking about? Sam? Oh, okay. Me? No. I would never, ever, 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 ever say I'm not a profitable trader. So if, like I said, I'm not taking shots at anybody here. I respect anybody who tries to stream, etc. Did I say something, Sam, that make you think that I was trying to say I was good? I'm confused. Oh no, I have no idea why they wanted me on. Uh, it didn't. I was surprised that they wanted me on. No, I'm still not a consistent trader. Tio, I was on it. I was for about a 45-minute segment, interviewed by what's his face? I can't remember his name now. Yeah, like I said, I was shocked. Here, okay, this is how, as we watch this trade play out, whichever way it's going to go. Let me go find the email. I got an email back in October. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay, let me see if I can find it. I really should clean out my email. Looks like it's coming down. May stop me out. Eddie was the one that I. Yeah, it started off that they sent message to their affiliates, and goodness God, I need to clean out my email. Yep, I've stopped out. Nice job, Brooks. Okay. So I can't find it. Talking about Ace, John. Yeah. There we go. So this was how it went. I got an email. I believe it was sent out to all the affiliates. It says our YouTube channel, Topstep TV, is live. I'm looking to book partners with strong knowledge of futures trading and actively trade themselves for our Power Players segment. And blah blah blah, and so on. So my response was, not sure why my response isn't in this thing. Uh, yeah, I'm like, I cannot be considered the best of the best. I'm still a struggling trader, but I'm definitely willing to talk about my journey, my struggles, and why I continue to travel this journey despite the setbacks, etc. If that's something you're interested in, then I'll be happy to be on the show. And they said, that sounds great. I'd love to have you on the show, blah, blah, blah. So I was on, if anyone wants, I don't know if they still have it up, but I was on Monday, October 23rd. As we were coming down here, big move down. So that's how I ended up on Topstep TV. Yeah. And here's the link for that episode of Topstep TV if anyone wants to check it out. Yep, whip it. Whip it good. What's your entry, RJ? While I was doing that, I missed this, but that's okay. Why, Sam, I'm curious why you feel that way, because we've rallied most of today, except for this pullback the last couple hours. Wondering why you feel the rally's over. I'm not questioning you, I'm just curious. Got down to 12 quarter. I actually got down to 10, 10 three quarters. Blue candle. Popping back up. Yeah, definitely hasn't really given us a trend tonight at all. I mean, it's a slight downtrend, I guess you could say. Maybe you want to do that whole trend line thing Brooks was talking about. Boom, boom. Up. Sorry, RJ. See, and I should have taken that blue candle and the red. See, boom, boom. See, if I just listen to myself, let's look at this. Let's get rid of that trend line. So let's look at this. Start here, which was 7 o'clock when market starts moving a little bit. Red. We had a green candle coming out of the bands. Boom. Up for, I mean, none of this is great, but it's like 5 points. Green here. Purple candle. Back down. Red down here. Blue candle. Back up. Green here. Purple candle. Down. Blue here. Red. Back up. It's so easy, a caveman could do it. But ugh ugh, I still don't pull the trigger, or I miss it, or I whatever. So easy, a cave ox could do it. RJ's like, why did I trade tonight? Blue candle. I did that already, didn't I? Trying for one last long. Well, I mean, they only have 15 minutes on the stream, so I shouldn't say one last long. Touch that 100 EMA. Should have put a target right there. We're going to put a target right there. See if we can get 2 points. 2.5 points maybe even. I think he's done, John. I mean, the Braves paid $4 million to cut him. Come on, push up just a little bit. We don't want a lot. We want just a little bit. Um, Bull and Ox just did 75% starting today, but they don't have Tradovate. Um, I don't know. I expected Apex, but Apex ended up going to that whole can pass in 1 day thing instead. So I don't know if they're going to do anything more. I mean, they're 71% off, but I'm not sure they're going to go any higher at this point. And Topstep, hasn't run any sales. Well, except for that $11 thing on Veterans Day or whatever. But I don't know. Topstep didn't do anything for Black Friday beyond what they already are. So I think right now the best is at 71% with Apex for anything that has Tradovate. Hey, look at that! We hit a target, 2.5 points, $50. Yeah, doing a quick look through what the sales are now and if I expect anything else, unless unless Apex surprises us in the next couple days, with something better, I don't see anything anything else that you would like, John, with wanting Tradovate. Yep. Every time there's a sale, I update it. Still trying to push up here. Hey, Mike, how you doing? You getting back into the gym, Captain Price? Hoping to do some getting in shape soon myself. I haven't seen my abs in years. Yep, that's more basically where I'm at. Pushing up here. This is the nicest move we've seen all night, which figures as we're getting ready to call it a night. Excuse me. It's back up to 921. Apologize for the sounds of me opening a box. But what you're hearing me is me opening a box. Shocking, huh? Gold really took a tumble. See how that was a perfect entry right there. We had the green, red coming back in. It's fallen 3 points. And just like here, we had the blue and it moved up 3 points. Yes, I am, John. I'm not sure why I do it, but yeah, it's the plan. Sounds good, John. Have a great night, Sam. We'll see you next time. Again, reminder, folks, this is our last evening stream of 2023. We will be returning to the evenings January 3rd, 2024. I just figure that, I didn't want to didn't want to stream this coming Wednesday. Next Wednesday's going to be absolutely dead, and of course we're not going to stream on Christmas and New Year's. Um, I'll be streaming the rest of this week. I believe I'll be streaming the 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th. I don't see why not. I won't stream Christmas or New Year's. That said, if I see it's like totally dead next week after Christmas, then maybe we'll call an audible and take another day or two off during the day. But I mean, I'm pretty sure I traded last year every day between Christmas and New Year's. That's a good idea, Mike. Yeah, my goal is from whenever I stop trading on Friday to shut everything down, not even look at a chart until after Christmas, Tuesday. Normally, I spend the weekends charting. I mean, there's some weekends I'll spend 25 hours charting. I shouldn't say charting, back testing and charting. I enjoy charting. I enjoy back testing and all that, but it's like I need to start following through with the plans that I set. I go through these things and I see how my plans should work, and I get all excited, and then I don't follow through on them when I'm actually trading. Now, I guess I'll approve your absence, John. Make sure you have the paperwork in. That's what we're going to call it for tonight. As usual, I thank everyone for joining me. For those of you who only join me in the evenings, such as Mike and Kim Hill, I wish you a very, very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and all that good stuff. We'll see you back in the new year. If you have a chance to stop in on the morning stream, we'd love to see you there. Oh, yeah, good. So, we'll sell next evening stream in the new year, but continuing with the morning streams this week. Have a great holiday. Have a great night. Great rest of your week. Great whatever you want to have a great one of. Wow, look at this. What's going on here now? All this time, and we're about to hit the high of the night. It was just waiting for me to, quit. See ya all tomorrow, or whenever it is I see you again. Obviously, Discord will always be there as well. Have a great one, everyone. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.